It is so hot. My hair looks like a mess. Anyway, what's up, y'all? My name's Aaron. Welcome to the first episode. This is just a channel that's created with all the homies. We love cars. We love doing car stuff, having fun, vibing. That's it. Today, let me turn my car off. We are going to be installing coilovers. I have Stance XR1s for the BRZ. I also have GKTECH Toe Arms for the rear, and then I also have IKEYA formula lower control arms that we're going to slap on today. I don't know how low I'm going to go. I don't want to go that low because I daily my car. I still want to be reliable. I'm in a fucking Subaru. I'm reliable. But yeah, our homie Tim's here, and then Sean's going to be here very shortly. We're at Long's Coffee. We're going to get something to eat. Well, they're going to get something to eat. I just had food. I'm probably just going to get like a Vietnamese coffee or something like that. Welcome to the first episode, and let's go.
Hello Anoi, welcome to Higrade. Today we install coilover for this whack-ass BRZ, the monster truck fitment.
Bro, you look so funny in this seat.
You gotta look.
It's so comfy, bro. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. The amount of ass sweat that's been on this seat the past couple of days just because of how hot it is.
Bro, I don't even want to know. I just know you be ripping ass.
I rip so much ass in this seat, it's not even funny.
Not gonna lie, me too.
We're here. Let's go look at Tim's car. This LARPing hot version GTI.
Never been to a track.
Don't worry, same. I LARP. That's not that bad.
It's pretty bad, dude.
It's not that bad.
Look, this is from today.
Okay, that's pretty bad.
Yeah, and then there's this one too.
That's fine.
That looks good. For now.
For now.
Yeah, I'm at the point now where I don't really care about this car anymore. It's at like 104,000 miles.
Damn. Anyway,
See the LARP seats?
Tim GTI. As you can see, we have the beautiful Cortises. We also have the.
Can you show them the rep Defi gauge?
Here at Higrade. Here at Higrade, we only install Luffy gauge. If you don't have a Luffy gauge, you can't be a part of this club.
Put your ass on. Was that 530?
20. Honey, what we call this, honey?
The Highway special. We are sorry.
Oh.
Bro, why is there just a locally hated crew? You already know.
Locally hated.
We are Cypress Night Runners.
Aye.
You know, this is like a. You ever heard of Kanjizoku? But golf.
You ever heard Akina Speedstars? We are Cullen Speedstars.
Don't ever say that again, dude. that's really bad. He's not stock ride height right now. It's a rally build.
Colin McRae is what all my friends call me. Colin, yes, they call me Colin McRae, bro.
Bro, that fitment gotta go. That rear,
Bad. It's okay. I have a new bumper coming.
it's gonna look so good.
I'm not gonna tell them which one, but I bought.
Yeah, you could say that. It's gonna look really good. It's really hot. Let's go inside.
All right, let's go inside.
Do you want whipped cream in yours?
Yeah, sure.
Anyway, 2018 Ford Fiesta ST featuring a dead leaf from my house.
You got another one right there.
God damn it, dude. I hate parking under oak trees. Full bolt-on. Most of the bolt-ons were done by previous owner. The only thing I really did to the engine was I replaced the blow-off valve, and I also installed a triple pass radiator from Mount 2. I installed these pod lights, which are functional. They do work. I did some suspension work.
He actually drives.
I actually drive.
So he actually can run that banner.
Yeah. They don't do it like I do.
Ooh.
They don't do it like I do.
Hold on, Luffy? Someone say Luffy?
Luffy.
Here in Higrade, we only run Luffy gauges in our whips.
We love it.
We love it.
Sticker check, sticker check.
Sticker check.
Right here. Look at me. Look at me. Guck.
Should we tell
That's
them
the
what
important
Guck is, or
bit.
we'll
No.
let them find out?
No,
later?
we'll let them find out.
We'll let them find out. Okay.
Also, rest in peace and shout out to Seekers Club.
I forgot I had that sticker.
Don't know how they're doing, but yeah, R.I.P.
It's fucking hot, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
alright,
hate Texas.
well,
We're going to Tim's house. He's gonna get a change of clothes and then probably bring a different set of tools. And then we're gonna slam this bitch on washers.
Bruh. No. No.
Hockey pucks.
Man.
I'm taking care of is IKEYA formula lower control arms. I just put iron remover on them just to clean them up before I put them on. Do I really need to do this?
No, not really.
But
I'm not gonna lie, gang. This hose crusty as fuck. I mean, look at this shit.
Yeah,
It
like-
has seen some some shit.
It's Ethan has done a lot of track days on.
Hey, shout out to Ethan though.
Ethan, we miss you. Please move back to Houston.
Please come back. I've only hung out with you like one time, but he's high grade material.
He really is. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit, and then after this I'll rinse it off, and then I'm gonna grab the toe arms. I won't use the iron remover on that because there's rubber on it, and I don't want to fuck the rubber up. So
yeah, we're just gonna let it sit for a little bit, see if it does anything. It might do something, but we'll get back with y'all in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Jesse's also on the way. He's bringing some tools and brake cleaner. He just got his Miata running after his accident.
Oh really? Yeah.
So y'all are gonna see that, and it's gonna be hype.
Yes. So you guys are gonna meet Jesse in his really cool car. But yeah, like we said, we're gonna keep wrenching. Sean's still jacking up the car. I'm still gonna clean this, and then yeah. So let's get back to it. Boom. There you go. Cleaned up. All right.
So we just jacked up the car, put it on jack stands. I guess now it's time to start taking the wheels off.
Yeah. Here we go.
I can't wait to strip the wheel studs.
Don't say that, please. Oh my God!
You gotta check this out. All right, Aaron, give us the rundown.
RPF1. 18 by 8.5 plus 40. These came on the car. Bend, curb rash.
Oh, hell nah, bro. This is Houston spec for real.
I'm just gonna say, I bought the RPFs with the car. So, I have new wheels coming though, so we're fine. But anyway.
Oh man, dude, look at that.
Wait, hang on. Let me roll the wheel a little so we can see. Look right here, dude. Look at all
focus.
that. I'm sorry, blowing it. Hang on.
Yeah, this wheel's kind of nasty, Aaron. I'm not gonna lie.
I've had this car for almost 9-10 months now. I've never rotated the tires, and I've put at least more than 15K miles on the car, I think. So, damn. Jesse, how's the whip doing?
Going good.
This is Jesse's car. It's a 1991, I think, Mazda Miata. Just got it back up and running. Had a little bit of oopsie a few weeks ago. But yeah, it's on, I don't know what kind of wheels they are. I can read the center cap, it says DBV, but I don't actually know what brand that is. He's got all kinds of stuff done to this. I believe he's on Meister R suspension. I don't know what kind of lip this is, but he could tell you. But the big thing is that it's turbocharged. He just wrapped up the turbo kit maybe a month ago, and he's just been trying to get the engine broken. And if I remember correctly, the engine's capable of like something ridiculous, like 400 or 500 horsepower. But yeah, this is his car.
We just took his OEM end links off, and I want y'all to take a look at this. That is from the boot
Oh my God.
of his OEM end links.
Oh my God. Oh my
Run your finger, it feels like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like
It was
sticky,
so hard
dude.
to
What
get
the
out
hell?
because it was getting
It was
on the
like-
threads.
It was like when you like touch gum that someone just
it's
put
like
under a
stuck
pen.
to you.
Holy shit.
Just keep wiggling it. There you go.
God, it's a boy!
It's a boy!
Oh man!
Oh man!
What are you gonna name him?
I'm gonna name him Rally.
Colin!
God damn, bro!
We can name the other one McRae.
Oh my God.
This is a new lower control arm. I'm a bit dirty, but I am extremely thirsty.
Missing maybe 3 drops.
It is currently 8:20 p.m. We are now putting on the lower control arms, and then we're also putting on the Stance XR1s for the rear right now. We're working on the driver's side. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the passenger side, and then after we finish that, we're gonna put the wheels back on. They're already cleaned up from the barrel. I just put iron remover on them and just sprayed them up. And then once that is done, I'm gonna work on the fronts, and then we're gonna go to Andy's Custard and get some cold stuff to eat because it's hot, man. So without further ado, let's get back into this, finish this up, and then let's go cruise to Andy's Custard. So let's go. Okay, high grade torque spec.
Okay, so we got the lower control arm in, we got the strut in. Only problem is I forgot to bring my torque wrench too. I don't think Aaron has one.
I don't.
So what we're gonna do is what we call high grade spec.
Which is?
Wound tight.
Meaning?
Tight enough. If it's tight, it's good. I mean, dude.
Yeah.
Actually, I got a better one, Jesse. Here you go.
Oh my God.
battery-powered torque wrenches.
2 extra batteries. Go see them and watch.
Remember, switching to your pistol is always faster than reloading.
And it's like, but it refused, and you fucking come back to life. That's basically what that thread was doing.
Bro, the cogs and gears in my brain, bro. I was like, I've dealt with this before. Oh, just for context, I
played these games before.
Before, I used to do.
Home Sayong.
Oh my God, I knew that was you. Hong Sang-yong. Hong Sang-yo, Squid Game. From the Squid Game. Using this.
I used to do like deburr work and machinist work for oil and gas, and I was like, man, I'm never gonna use this shit. Okay, 5 7mm spacer, you'll be set.
Well, that's plus 40. I'm gonna go plus 35 in my next wheel setup, 9.5.
Oh, really?
So I don't know if I'll be poking a little or if I'll be flush.
Dude, the car looks so much more aggressive. We only done the rear.
Dude, we haven't even done the front. I mean, the fronts are easy, so. Okay, update. Jesse and Tim left us to go to the gas station. We already jacked up the front side. Both wheels are taken off as well. I mean, there's not really much to say here. It's just gonna be the same thing, except we don't have to deal with bullshit, AKA lower control arms and tow rods, but it's just 5 bolts. So I don't need to film it. We're just gonna knock it out. So we'll hit you guys back when we're done, and the car's probably gonna be on the floor. So later. Bye.
Bye.
Come by.
Cam high.
I haven't updated you guys in a minute. It is 2 a.m. Yeah. Me and Jesse knocked out the fronts. Wheels are on, coilovers are on, everything's tightened up. So there's not really much else to do now besides take it off the jack stands and see how low this car really is now. So the only reason why it is 2 a.m. is because we were just having a good talk.
It's almost 4:30 in the morning.
Name's no coolant. This is me after the IKEYA install.
It's like 4:30 in the morning, dude. I want to fucking shower. That's what I want to do.
That's first.
Yeah, bro. Like, Declaration of Independence is like 4 showers ago. What? What the fuck are you looking at me like that for? Huh? Yes. No. That's what I thought.
This is me after the IKEYA install.
Dude, Tim, you look rough, man.
I've been up since 4 in the morning.
Bro's actually done.
Isn't that right?
You look like you lost all your money in fucking Hanoi, Vietnam.
Yeah, you look like you've lost all motor functions.
No, he looks like he gambled all his money in fucking Ho Chi Minh City and
Oh my god.
regretting it.
You said about Milo.
Dude, we were supposed to go to Whataburger 2 hours ago.
We finished 2 hours.
That was too long ago. Oh my god. What the fuck have we accomplished in 2 hours?
I'm tired to the point where putting the jack under the car and doing 3 pumps has got me out of breath.
I got you with the jack stands, don't worry.
Thanks. Are you gonna kick him with your feet? Alright, you're clear.
Most fucking sad. Alright, gang.
Fitment review.
Hey, watch your knees. The jack's gonna roll backwards into you. Yeah, there you go.
Verified fitment review.
It's fucking jack! There we go. Other side.
That's what I'm talking about.
Tim, I need you to move, please. I want to go home and go to bed.
Dude, we're going to Whataburger, bro.
No.
Cutting me off. Waiting for anyone else.
bedtime. It's like almost 5 in the morning. I'm going to sleep.
Well, that's one gone. 2 more right here. And I'm still here, awake, surviving. You know what? I'll drive it around the neighborhood later. And I really want to get that alignment just for the peace of mind. If it drives good in the neighborhood, I'll just drive it. Fuck it, see what happens. Hopefully I don't get stuck. I should not say that. It smells like alcohol. It smells great. I'm fucking cooked, bro. Holy shit. I don't know how the clearance is gonna be. I don't know.
You're gonna have to see. I'm gonna have to guide you.
Yep.
Straighten out. Straighten out. Turn a little bit. Yep. Straighten out. Straighten out. Side profile. That's a good guard.
How much clearance did I have?
You had like about a couple inches.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
I'd say you have like about 3 inches of clearance.
Well, I guess I'll go on a ride. If I feel anything weird, I'll come back. I'll be back.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know what time it is. 5 a.m. Car looks good. I'm so tired, bro. Let's get into the house, bro. I'm taking a shower, bro. I'll be back. Good night, bro. I'm going to bed.